countless common mistakes that we make in English. Often when you are learning some language, we do some silly mistakes. That is same as English also. So let us see some mistakes and how to overcome. First one is the list of items are on the desk. In the above sentence, the list of items is one singular list. So it's incorrect to use are. We should use is. The correction is the list of items is on the desk. Second example, let us see. She had already went to the room before they got in the car. If you are not sure whether to use gone or went, remember that have and had always accompany with the third form of the verb. Since the word had is there, we should use gone instead of went. The correction is she had already gone to the room before they got in the car. Let us see the third example of the mistake. We did not went there. In the above sentence, did denotes past tense and again went denotes past tense. Hence, once did is used, you no need to use the past tense verb. Here we need to use the present tense verb. So correction is we did not go there. Let us see the fourth example of the mistake usually we do. Cat like the dog. In the above sentence, cat is third person singular. Grammatically, for third person singular in present tense, we add s to the main verb. Whereas for plural, we should not add s to the main verb. Correction is cat likes the dog. Cats like the dog. Okay? And example number 5, he don't know. In the above sentence, he is third person singular. Grammatically, for third person singular in present tense, we use does usually to make a sentence negative. Whereas for plural, we use do in the present tense. So correction should be cat likes the dog. And cats like the dog. For example of sixth example, everyone are happy. In the above sentence, everyone denotes singular. Every, each, either, neither, most of, one of, these are all singular words. So correction should be everyone is happy. Singularly, if a plural number applies to distances or heights, weights or amount of money and represents a single figure or quantity, it is treated as singular. Example number 5. Kilometer is not a great distance. A bunch of keys has been found. Bread and butter is tasty and quick food. Captain with crew members has arrived. Each one of us was highly appreciated. So let us see example number 7. No one is not perfect. In the above sentence, no one indicates negative. Not also indicates negative. Two negatives in a sentence makes that sentence positive. Therefore, to keep the sentence in negative, we need to use a single negative word. So correction should be no one is perfect. If there are two negative words in a sentence, the sentence would give a positive meaning. So example, let us see. Neither he nor I was in a hurry to reach Mauritius. Let us see example number 8. Children are innocent. In the above sentence, the word children is the plural of child. Therefore, there is no need to add yes to the word children. Similarly, peoples. Person is one, that is singular, and people, many, plural. Correction should be children are innocent. If it is referred to the children's hospital, then there should be apostrophe yes to the word children. Similarly, brother's son, father's opinion, mother's blessings, all this should be with apostrophe yes, which refers to someone or somewhere. Example number 9. He will does not come. In the above sentence, will refers to future and does refers to present tense. Future tense does not require any auxiliary verb. Therefore, if it is future tense, we no need to use does. So correction should be he will not come. Let us see example number 10. Where you were. In the above sentence, where is auxiliary verb along with the question tag where. Grammatically, auxiliary verb should follow the question tag. Auxiliary verb should appear next to the question tag. So correction should be where were you. Similarly, where are you? It's not where you are. Should be where are you. Example number 11. He may have eaten the last piece of cake. Deciding when to use may rather than might can be a tricky because they both indicate that something is possible. Might suggests slightly more uncertainty. May expresses slightly more certainty. I might take a trip to India next year means that maybe you will go to India, but maybe you won't. I may have a slice of cake after dinner expresses slightly more certainty that you are going to eat that cake. The rule for may and might in the past tense is reverse. So, in the present tense, you would say he may eat the last piece of cake. But in the past tense, this sentence becomes he might have eaten the last piece of cake. The correction should be he might have eaten the last piece of cake. Let us see the example number 12. Our movie was very interesting. When you are talking about something in a general way, use the indefinite article a. But if you are talking about something specific that everyone in the conversation is familiar with, then you have to use the. For example, if I say let us watch a movie, I am suggesting that we watch any movie. However, if I say let us watch the movie, I am referring to a specific movie that you and I have already talked about. So, correction should be the movie was very interesting. Yes, dear friends, these are the common mistakes what we usually do knowingly and unknowingly. So, it is better to know that what mistakes we are doing and how to overcome these mistakes. Yes, dear friends, if you want to know or understand the basic English or the advanced English, I will be giving the link. Please click on the link and enroll for the courses. That's all for today. This is Rani D'Souza, the author and India's first authority building mentor. Thank you.